We will start the ChatGPT prompt engineering session. In this session, we will learn how to prompt on ChatGPT. We all know very well uh, the ChatGPT, but when we search on ChatGPT, we will not get the exact answer that we want to access from the ChatGPT. So from today's session, we will learn how to use this ChatGPT. So we will start with this. All of you, please log in on your laptop and start the Google Chrome and open the ChatGPT in Google Chrome. This is a totally hands-on session. I'm not going to explain the PPT right here. Am I audible to all of you? Okay, so those who are the first-time user, they want to use this ChatGPT. You have to first create a login in the ChatGPT. So for the first-time user, what you will do, you go to the Google Chrome or any browser, but I prefer to use the Google Chrome where you will get extension or add-on for ChatGPT in Google Chrome. So either you can open a new tab and search for ChatGPT. Okay, so this is the window for ChatGPT. Here on the left-hand side, you will find all the chats which you have performed in the previous tomorrow or yesterday or previous 7 days or from previous 30 days. You can find all these chats right here. For the new user, you will find this thing blank. So how we have to write this chat? There is one chat window right here. We can write the question right here, and this chat GPT, based on the learning experience, it will give the answer. So I have already prepared some prompts. You can see right here. So let's suppose that we are taking the first prompt, write an essay for Taj Mahal, and put your question right here and ask the question from this ChatGPT. So as you can see, when I paste this, it is showing me the complete essay, but it is not required in this particular length. So what we are going to do, we are prompting for this particular essay. So you can edit this particular question which you have written right here. So how you will do it? For the first time user, what you will do, you will find right here save prompt, or you can edit this prompt from here. And again, you can type these questions and ask the prompt again and again. So how we can fine tune this particular essay, we can check right here in the second prompt. And there is a very good website. Here you will find all the prompts listed directly. You can copy these prompts, and you can use these prompts on ChatGPT. So directly from here, what I will do, I will copy this complete document from here, and if I want to summarize the whole document into 4 to 5 lines, it will summarize me each and everything in 4 to 5 lines. So what prompt we have to mention right here? Summarize the below text into 5 lines. So right here, you can give your command. You can check right here how big this article is. And right here, you can give the command, and you will find exactly what you need. You will get right here. So click on this, and here you will find the 5-line summary for this particular essay. So those who know this thing, it is easy for them, but those who working first time, you will find easy from here, right? So let's fine tune the same thing again. So what we are doing right here, in this particular prompt, detect the sentiment of the user who has given the review. So what we are doing right here, we are just showing you this ChatGPT can analyze the sentiment also. In the first prompt, we have learned how to find out the topic and how to find out the summary of any of the research article. I have pasted the complete research article from the website, and I have pasted that in the ChatGPT and asked particular question. And based on that particular question, it will provide me the solution. The second prompt I'm giving right here is to analyze the sentiment. So right here, I have given this prompt, detect the sentiment of the user who has given the review. Really disappointed, actually, Baba. So this is a negative comment we know from the reading. So what we have to do, we have to use this complete prompt right from here and paste it in the ChatGPT. So you can check the sentiment expressed in the review of negative type. So you can check right here. My main point is to describe this thing that this ChatGPT can detect the sentiment in the second example. Now, in third example, you can say detect the sentiment of a user who has given the review. Right here, you can see 10x value obtained from money spent at 100% recommended. So this is a positive comment. Uh, we copy this complete prompt from here. I have written this prompt to analyze the sentiment uh, from the website which we have taken. So you can check right here. So the sentiment given right here is a positive. You can check. So it is analyzing the negative sentiment, positive sentiment, and giving the complete response. The next prompt, which I want to demonstrate right here, uh, create a checklist for a foreign trip from India. So the main purpose of this particular prompt is to give an overview that ChatGPT can generate the checklist also. Copy the prompt directly from this Word file and paste on the ChatGPT. Okay, so you can see right here, the checklist is prepared. You can copy this checklist and paste in the Word file, and you will plan your travel accordingly. Now, the next example is to provide detail of IPL 2019 final matches in a JSON format. So this example demonstrates that ChatGPT can be used to create a JSON format files also. So copy this and check how this code is represented in a JSON format right here. Okay, so next prompt, can you provide a detail of the IPL 2016 and 2019 matches in a tabular format? So the main purpose is to demonstrate right here that this particular chat GPT can represent the data as you ask the prompt. So right here you can see from 2016 to 2019, all the matches are listed right here. Now, so next prompt is, if you want to access different information and merge all those information together, you can directly give the prompt on the chat and it will do the thing or combine the thing in a single command. Okay, so it is merging all these chats which we have performed earlier. Next demonstration is that you can create or write any code in any language. So this is the example where we are writing a Python code to create a front end for travel planner application. So give the command in a ChatGPT and ask for this. So it is providing me the complete code right here. And we have asked the Python code. So this complete code is written by ChatGPT. You have to just fine tune this particular code. So basic knowledge, if you have, then you can fine tune this Python code and perform all the tasks. Now, next example is to get the CSV file from this chat. So you can copy this and paste it right here and check this command. So it is providing me the IPL 2018 to 2019 final matches CSV format. So CSV is nothing, a comma separated value. Next example is we have to merge them. So you can merge these different prompts which you have performed. Uh, Next is create SVG of the document icon and show the image. So it will create the code. It is creating the complete code right here. So what we have to do, you can go to this particular file or a website and copy this SVG file, or you can select it, or you can, there is a one icon right here, copy, just copy it and give this particular code right here. So you can see right here, this icon is generated. So this image is generated with the help of this SVG. Now, if you want to write a LinkedIn message to instructor in engineering courses at etschool.in for developer role in 100 bucks, then what you will get and how we can fine tune this particular prompt to get a better result. So we need few things to remember before writing any prompt on ChatGPT. So you can see right here, this is a simple LinkedIn message which ChatGPT is giving us. I hope this message finds you well. I am reaching out to express my interest in the developer role at etschool.in, but it is not giving me the correct and exact information which I need. So how we can modify this? So the magic prompt formula is, first you write down the context, then task, then give the instruction and give some example or data to the prompt, then it will give you the correct result. So right here, what we have written that you are a career counselor who has helped people to get job on a Google, Microsoft, Uber, Apple, along with a lot of Fortune 500 companies. So we have written this prompt. We have given the context, task, instruction, and data with example. So now use this particular prompt and paste it right here chat in the chat GPT and get the result. So right here it is showing the name as well as the information which we have provided, and it is providing us 100 word mail with all other information which we have shared above. So we have to more refine this particular message. So how we will refine it? You can see right here some more instructions we have to provide. I have copied half of the portion. Now you will check. I am giving the example also, and right here it is using the same example to demonstrate uh, the complete information or mail which we want to share. Now you can more refine to this particular prompt and get the exact result. So right here you can see you are a experienced career counselor, and we have modified this particular prompt. I will share these prompts. I have just explained this prompt to demonstrate you. So main thing is to create some context, then add some task, and give some instruction, and give the data as well as example to this prompt, and it will create you the accurate result. So all the elements are used here are called building blocks, and there could be a lot more. Okay. So now we have placed all these things. Now you can check right here. In this particular example, we have given the context, then we have given task, style, and length, and then we have used multiplier. After multiplier, we have used instruction, target audience, and then given the data. So this is a complete prompt to get an accurate result. So right here, you can see this is the context we have given to get a job. Then we have given the task, style, and the length. And you can see multiplier showing that three different various type of LinkedIn message we have to create. Okay. Now, instructions also there, and target audience with data is also there. So we have, but instruction we are providing, we want this particular message will be present in a template like this. And then the tone of 40-year-old head of the engineer. And then we have given the example also right here. So how you have to write this complete uh, prompt. So use this prompt and you can check the result after giving this prompt into the chat GPT. So what we are doing right here, we are using the same prompt, and now you will find this mail. According to template, it will provide, and we have given the three format. So you can check message 1, message 2, and message 3 also. So in 3 variation, you will get this message, and you read this message, and accordingly you can post these messages on LinkedIn, Facebook, or any other. Okay, so after this, these are some building blocks which we have shared right here. First, you have to use the style. Then we have to use the budget, give the context, add some additional context, then type of text, negative prompt, instruction, seed words, background information, template, target audience, multiplier, persona, goal, length, style, and example. So if you give all these things in a single prompt, you will get the accurate result. Most of the time, we find that ChatGPT is not giving us the correct answer. So this is the reason. We are not providing all these instructions to the ChatGPT. That's why you will not get the correct answer. So what are the different building blocks for this? You can check this one prompt. Here we have mentioned each and everything in one line. We have not given the long prompt to the user. We have written a one-line prompt for each, and accordingly, it will give us the answer. So you can see. Okay, so after that, you can make your own building block. How you can make these building block? So let's suppose that you give the instruction for the invitation in a party, and these instructions will be given in a single line, and what answer you will get, check right here. Okay, you can see the complete message is shown in very good format right here. So all these instructions which we have mentioned, ChatGPT is following right here, and it is providing the information, your instruction. The real value of this ChatGPT is leveraged when we ask a follow-up. Follow-up means till the time you will not get the accurate answer, you have to give the prompt again and again. So I have added all these prompts right here. And after adding these follow-up questions, you will get a very good result. So what we have given, you can check right here. Whole message is a short. And right here, you can check. You have to add some emoji. And you need to provide some main list things and guest list also. And you have to add some examples for this. So you can see right here, the list is also added: music, food, drink, entertainment, and all these things. And the example is also given. Emoji is also added right here. And each and everything which you are asking, it is available right here. Now let's explore the kind of roles you can give to the ChatGPT. So write an opening introduction paragraph under 100 words for an article on how AI is going to change the world the way we know it. So I'm asking a simple question right here, and only we need 100 words for this. And we need to use some follow-up questions, and based on the given responses, we have to prompt it till we get the correct answer. So you can check right here. It is giving me a simple answer for opening introduction of this particular AI article. And now what we have to do, we have to give the second prompt as a AI ethic expert. So understand from this complete prompt from AI ethic expert. So its output will be different right here. You can check in the first example, it is giving a different output. In the second example, if you give the role of this AI as an ethic expert, it is giving you a different answer. So main point to explain right here, you have to give the role to the ChatGPT. Accordingly, it will give you the answer. Now, in the third example, I am showing right here, you are AI researcher. And based on the AI researcher, you have to give the answer. So now you can read the complete solution and say, again, it is different. So according to the role, ChatGPT is giving the answer to the user. So we need to define the role for this. So the more you flesh out the role, the better the output of the prompt. Experiment with the role until satisfied with the output. Next prompt, what we are taking right here, you are a product manager and you work with some big companies and you need to share three good idea of the post to the Instagram. So this is a simple example which you need to follow right here. I'm using this prompt and check the solution. So right here, you can see it is giving me the post idea in a three different way. Now we can ask ChatGPT to pick up a specific tonality while writing. So according to the tone, it will give the answer also. And these prompts are available on GitHub. This is the link right here. You can check this link. I'm using this link right here. You can go to this GitHub repository, download this complete Excel file from the GitHub, and you will find all the prompts are available. So what you will do, you will click on this code option and download this zip file. And inside this zip file, you will find this prompt option CSV format. So open in Excel this CSV, and you will find all the prompts right here. Okay, so next is tree of thought prompting. This prompting technique is useful for advanced problem solving and evaluating multiple solutions at once and backtracking if necessary. So first point is we need to brainstorm, present the problem statement with context and different factors and get multiple solutions. So I have given first prompt right here. I have a problem related to finding the job as a developer in Bangalore. A little bit about myself. So I have given some information related to myself, and I am searching for a job for a developer in Bangalore. So this is a brainstorming to the ChatGPT. So first prompt we are providing right here, and if we provide this prompt to the ChatGPT accordingly, it will give the answer to us. Now, the second point is we need to evaluate whatever we are getting response from the ChatGPT. We have to evaluate the given solution in terms of challenges and their pros and cons. So right here, for each of three proposed solution, evaluate their potentials. So what we are doing right here, we are evaluating the answer which we are getting from the GPT. So in the second prompt, what I'm doing, I'm giving this evaluation criteria to ChatGPT, and it will evaluate all these three responses which we are getting from ChatGPT. So after evaluating what we have to do, the uh, third point is ex expansion of this particular program. So go deep on every solution for strategies and other unexpected outcomes. So you can check right here. For each solution, deepen the thought process. So we need to understand what we are getting from the output. And based on this thought process, we have to further refine the answer. So give the prompt. So again, it is a refining the solution which we are getting from the ChatGPT. The last point is the decision. On the basis of the reasoning done so far, rank the solution. So based on this ranking, you will get the final answer. So based on the evaluation of the scenario, rank the solution in order of promise, provide a justification for each ranking, and offer any final thoughts or considerations for each solution. So right here, give this prompt and refine this answer. Okay, so lastly, you can check right here ranking the solution based on the promise. First is the interview preparation and practice. Second is the startup and mid-sized companies. And third one is the remote opportunities. So these are the three main ranking for this. Now the next point is justification, and you can check this RGC template right here. RGC stand for the role, result, goal, and context. So this template is very essential to write a good prompt on ChatGPT. So role will define the persona where ChatGPT or generative AI platform or state. Then we will get some result and what you expect as an output, define the goal and propose the output. And these should be present in the form of some context. Who is the target audience? Why we are doing this? And what do we need? And the main constraints like limitation to remember for this particular task. So this template we need to follow, and this framework offers a comprehensive structure that can be universally applied to any input and desired output. Its goal is to establish a standardized format which can be used in different scenarios. So now take one example right here. You are a product manager or influencer who has 100K follower on Instagram with an average of 50K views per day. And what you want from the chat GPT, you want three good idea to post this on Instagram. So use this prompt right here and check. Okay, so you can check right here. It is providing me exact three posts and three idea which will be posted on different social media platform. Okay. So next point is perspective prompting. This prompt framework can help in getting single or multiple perspective so that the nuances of the topics are captured and can get a better understanding. So first prompt we have given right here, write about human-centered design for perspective of UI UX expert as a UI UX expert. So to give this prompt to the chat GPT and check right here. After this, what we have to do, we have to give some arrangement on a topic for increasing mobile addiction from multiple. So this particular perspective we have to get from the chat GPT. So you can see right here, it is giving a general overview right here, but based on the perspective, it is providing us right here the different perspectives of the person. Now, constructive critic prompting. This prompting framework can provide an expert critic on your writing idea or thoughts. So I have written a complete script right here, and based on this particular script, ChatGPT will act as an expert, and it will critique this pitch, and it will suggest us a great pitch. So you can see constructive criticism is given by this ChatGPT right here. So three way of this representation is shown right here, and it is giving us different constructive criticism for the pitch, which we have provided right here. Okay. Okay, so this is the last example right here I am showing. After this, I will share some add-on which will be beneficial with you if you use those add-ons on Google Chrome. It is very easy for you to understand the thing. So this is again a one prompt. Uh, and based on this particular prompt, it is refining the complete answer of our question. So it is giving us accurate and correct answer right here. So the main objective of today's session is to learn how to ask the question on a chat GPT based on these perspectives. Okay, so let's see the first Google Chrome extension. First is a web chat GPT. So it is very good add-on extension. You can search on web chat, add-on. So you can see right here web chat add-on. Okay, so why we are installing this web chat GPT extension? If you install this web chat extension, automatically on chat GPT, the web access will be present right here. Right here, if you ask the question, uh, who is the CEO of, okay, so it is disconnected in January 2022. If you ask the same question on Google, it will give us the different answer. 20. Okay, so install this particular extension, and it will provide you the internet access. So you can check right here, click on this one click option, and now you will paste this, and it will check the internet and provide the solution. Now you can check on ChatGPT. If you are using this ChatGPT without this extension, it is not giving you 2024 result, because this free version 3.5 is disconnected in 2022. So you will not get the correct answer. But right now, if you install this particular extension and enable these options, so it will provide you the solution. Now, the second extension is Monica. Okay, so go to the Google and type Monica. Okay, so you can see right here, this particular extension you need to install. Okay, so right here I have already installed this add-on. So you can check right here what it will do. It will search the AI content. It will write email for you. It is also integrated on YouTube. It will give you the complete YouTube video summary. So based with the help of this Monica add-on extension, it will provide you the result. Sorry. Battery of this laptop is down, so that's why I have connected right now. Okay, so if you have installed this extension, what you will do, you can open your Gmail, or you will find right here, Monica is installed. And if you select any email, automatically this will give you response. If you select the content right here, it will explain, it will translate, it will do everything for you. Automatically, it can reply also. So it is very useful add-on extension, Monica. Next, if you want to use this with the YouTube, then also it will transcript the complete video and summarize the complete video for you. You can check right here, this Monica is present, and this particular extension will summarize the complete video. Okay, it will take some time. Now go to the next add-on. Next add-on is snackprompt.com. To check this particular extension, so this particular website will provide you the complete detail of the prompt. In this month, which particular prompt is very popular. Today, which prompt is very popular, and this week, all time. So when you select these prompts, let's take this first prompt. So first, it will ask you to log in. You have to create an account or just go to the Google and log in with your Google account. So after login, you will check. So all these are the prompts. From here, you can copy, and you can copy this particular prompt and go to the ChatGPT and paste this particular prompt. Okay, after this, what we have to use Humata. Okay, next extension is Humata. Open this. Okay. So you need to use this particular website, log in with your Gmail account. What it will do, it will read the Word, PDF, and other format, and it will give you the summary, and you can ask the question, and it will provide you the solution from the given PDF document. So I already uploaded my one research paper, and this is my research paper. Based on this research paper, I can ask the question. So I have used different data set to analyze the image 4D and find out different geometrical attack. So what I have to do, I can ask question. So what are the different data set for experiment? Yes, article. So ask this question or any question you can ask if that particular answer is available inside this research paper. Automatically it highlight those texts and you can read those texts. So you can check right here. I have asked this question and it is highlighting this text on that PDF document. So this Humata tool is very useful. You need not to go through the complete research paper. If you need some algorithm, if you need some data set, if you need some main points, then you can ask those main questions on this particular chat and you will get the answer. Okay, so next. Okay, so next I am going to explain one AI tool which we will create right now. And based on this AI tool, you can directly send messages to the people. So let's suppose that I want to invite some people for the next workshop, which we are going to conduct in Chitkara University, Himachal Pradesh. That particular workshop or activity is in the collaboration with the Chitkara, that IIT University Roorkee, IIT Roorkee. So what I have done, I have created one Google form. Same you can do. You can create one Google form, and if somebody who is interested in your program, he will fill this Google form automatically. He will get the email that we can respond to you within 48 hours if you are interested to join this particular program. So what you have to do, you have to first create the Google form, which I already created right here. So this is the workshop is going to be held in the next month, 3rd to 8th June 2024. This is a workshop in collaboration with IIT Roorkee. And what we are covering in this particular workshop, we are covering different topics like generative AI, prompt engineering, content creation, image generation, AI automation, MS Excel, then advanced data insights, speak to influence, automatic job flow, LinkedIn, AI, web flow, Twitter growth. All these topics we will cover. And I have made this email as mandatory. Then name, content, organization, designation, and why you want to join this particular workshop. So this form I have created. Uh, After this, what you have to do, you have to open the Zapier. Zapier is the software where you can create a Zap. So this Zapier you need to open. So open this Zapier. You need to first create an account in the Zap. Then you will be able to log in and create this automated process. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to create your account in this Zapier. I already created one chat right here. So you can click on this chats if you find. And right here, this is the untitled titled chat. Click on this. You need to create it first. You need to connect your Gmail account as well as your Google Drive also to this chat. And then it will respond whatever written in the particular Google form. You can access and give the automated response from email. So right here, what you have to do when you click on the create chat, it will show you untitled chat. So what we are doing, we are collecting the information from form and give the output to the email, form to email. So this we have created, and after that, I already created this tab. Then that's why I am editing it. In your case, it will show first this Google form. You need to first um, add this Google form from your account. So in the first step, you have to give the permission and define this app what you want. You can change it also. Then you need to create account and get the permission. Then you want to trigger which particular Google form you want. So I want this IIT rookie. So all the Google form will be available if you click on the bottom side right here. So all these Google form which we have created, these are available, but I need this one. So I have selected it. So lastly, in the test phase, all the inputs which we are taking right here present, and click on the continue with the selected record. So after this, you need to configure your email. So you need to send the email, click on continue, then provide this email account information, continue. Then you have to provide the responder email, and from where you want to send. I'm using this personal email, then the name, and the subject is whoever filled the form, his name will be present right here. And I have given the message, thanks for filling the form. And I'm using a plain body, and in the body I have written, hey, the name of the person who is filling this form, and then I'm writing thanks. And you can add one more line. We will reach you in 48 hours. Okay, so that's all. Click on continue, and then publish. So it will ask you which version or this particular version is available. So when you click on the publishing, it will send the mail to the person who have filled this Google form. So you can check right here in the response. I have given my email ID. So check the Jab hit history. And here you can see this message on April 18. And right here, it is stopped. Okay, so in this manner, you have to create a JAP, and whatever information is available on this particular Google form, it will automatically send email to the person who is filling this particular form. So this is all about related to the presentation.